How to log in KB Kookmin Bank online banking South Korea. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. Today I will guide you on how you can log in to your KB Kookmin online account. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Over there, tap on the URL box at the top of your screen. Now, search for omoney.kbstar.com. Now, hit enter. Now, over there, click on Login at the top right corner of the screen. Over here, you can log in with your QR or even your joint financial certificate. But for now, I'm going to log in with my ID. Type in your ID. Now type in your password. Now, click on Login. You will be successfully logged into your KB Kookmin Bank online banking account. If you found this video to be helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.